Bitcoin targets 80k. Bitcoin is currently around 69k this week. We had two new all-time highs in 1 week. If Bitcoin managed to stay above 70k, is 80k next? If there is a pullback, where can we find support? Let's find it out in today's analysis. Hello people, I'm the NakedTrader and today I will analyze Bitcoin USDT, MicroStrategy Incorporated, XPENG Incorporated, Native, also known as DYDX USDT, FLOKI Inu USDT, and ETHEREUM. If you're not a member of Team NakedTrader yet, would you be so kind to press that subscribe button? It will help me a lot, and on the way also smash the like button. I will appreciate it a lot. And for now, let's kick off with the weekly performance of the crypto market. As you can see, overall, it's been a nice week. Green, big numbers. 71.6 for FLOKI, 67.6 Gala, near 46.5 Shiba Inu, 55.4 Fetch AI, 51.1 Doc with head, 44.8 Room, 56 The Graph, 46.1 Pepe, 66 and more. Only a few red ones. HTX minus 15, Cash minus 11.5, Bitcoin Cash minus 8.9, Quant. And if we change from the weekly to the daily, some more red numbers, but still a few big green numbers. Gala 38, Room 16, The Graph 17.8, Duck with Head 15.7, Okibi 17.3, Sandbox 7.3, and some red ones. Let's change to the coin market cap. Currently a market cap of 2.64 trillion with a 24-hour volume of 96.47 billion. Currently about 39 days for the halving, and the Fear and Greed Index is now at Extreme Greed 89. And the top 10 coins are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Solana, Ripple, Cardano, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. And from here, let's kick off to the weekly performance of the stock market. Mixed sentiment. Some red and some green ones. Microsoft minus 2.23. Nvidia went up 6.38. Apple went down almost 5%. TSM up almost 10%. Tesla down again minus 13.47. Amazon down. PDD Holdings down minus 13. And from here, let's go and start with Ethereum. I will end with Bitcoin. Another nice green week. Currently, Ethereum's price around 3,933. And Ethereum is arriving at the last resistance on the weekly. Here, this area between 39.48 and 46.30. And if we change to the daily, I will make last week's plan visible. So this scenario here, there was some resistance here, a pullback, tested way more aggressive than last week's scenario. So for now, I'll remove this. This one's still in play. The test of 4,296. with the pullback entry somewhere around 3,579. And if it's rejecting the current 3,930, then we can also expect a pullback entry around 3,579. And if it doesn't hold support there, then let's say, yeah, let's continue the upwards momentum. The entry here at 3,271. It's already tested here, bought up a lot, but yeah, I'm open to play it again. Yes. And from Ethereum, let's change to MicroStrategy Incorporated. What a candles. I've drawn this one March 2023, so you could have been in position and then you would have made a profit of more than 400%, and that's insane for a stock within a year, more than 400%. I will leave a link in the description so you can check the full analysis from last year. And for now, let's start with a clean chart. Okay, I will start at the monthly. From the monthly, I will change to the weekly. And from the weekly, I will change to the daily. So the 1070 is already tested. Let's go back in past, see what I can find. Okay, I will change back to the weekly. So if you still didn't take some profits, please consider to do, as you're on an all-time high. Take some profits. You don't have to close your whole position. You can do it little by little. So for now, what can we expect? A pullback with an entry somewhere around, let's say somewhere around 774, and trying to go up from there. And else, if you want to be more defensive, the entry here at 715, trying to go up from there. It's already tested. And else, let's wait, as it is in an all-time high and price discovery. Just wait and see what will happen in future price action. But those two support levels are untested so far. So yeah, that's it for MicroStrategy, and from here I will go to XPENG Incorporated, starting at the monthly. Currently at the all-time low area. Okay. So what do we see at the monthly? This was the start of the impulse to the all-time high. And here was the test. Tried to go up from there, didn't hold. And now it was here, went here. Now here we see the same. The test. What will happen? Will it hold, yes or no? So else we can also might see the same movement. So for now I will remove the brushes. And from the monthly I'll change to the weekly. Okay, the $10.77 is the resistance. Okay, I will add some scenarios. Either a rejection here at $10.77 and we will see new all-time lows. If there is a gain, a gain of 14.21 and perhaps a test of 18.25, a pullback with entry at $10.77, aiming for $20.92. And else, if you want to be more defensive and wait for a better confirmation, then wait for the test of 32, and then you can enter on the pullback with entry at $18.25, aiming to break the 32.87. So these are the possible scenarios for XPENG Incorporated, and from here I will go to DYDX, also known as native, starting at the weekly. I'll add some levels. Currently at the resistance of $4.30. Okay. The $3.92 was the drop off, which brought it all the way here to the lows of $1.12. And if this week's candle close above $3.90, next week's candle can be the gain, and potentially want to try to leave the range here. I will change to the daily. Yeah, on the daily, you can see it, the drop off here. We already have daily gains here. Okay, interesting. Okay. I will change to the weekly. Okay, maybe late entry at $3.52. Aiming for $6.91. And else, if it goes up from here and tests the $6.91, then entry around $4.30, aiming for higher. And if you want to be more defensive, the entry at $2.97, trying to go up from there. So 3 possible scenarios for DYDX. And from here, I will go to FLOKI INU USDT. Wow, this is the weekly. So if you're in position, let's say 2-3 weeks ago, you're up 750%. Take some profits, people. Always important, take some profits. Okay, I will add some levels. And from the weekly, I will change to the daily. Yes, okay. And I will change to the 4 hour. Now this is already tested. The, what is it? 17,300 Satoshi. Here it's already tested. This is already tested. Okay, I will change to the daily. Yeah, I will change to the weekly. So if you're not in a position yet, I will wait and be very defensive. Entry at 12,109 Satoshi. It's already aggressive defensive. Trying to go up from there. If it doesn't hold support there, then you can expect the next support here at 6,259 Satoshi. And else, if it goes up from here, then you can be more aggressive with entry at 17,300 Satoshi, but wait for a lower time frame confirmation, as I'm not a fan of this kind of price action. So this aggressive, defensive, and this one defensive. Yes, and from here I will go to Bitcoin USDT, starting at the weekly. Currently the price is 69,770. What a week again, another green candle. Okay, I want to show you guys something. There's not a lot of selling pressure currently. And if we go back to the old all-time highs of 2018, I will make this another color, pink. Let's say here the 18,953. That was in 2018, the all-time high. And what happened in the next bull run of 2020-2021, a lot of people expected that the price will drop from the all-time high. Here, it tested the all-time high, drop a little bit, and what do we see? What happened with the price after that? It went up. From the point where the all-time high was, it went up 238% first attempt, and then the all-time high 260%. And what happened after that is the all-time high were the current lows. Yeah, the lows of 2022. It fell below a little bit late 2022, early 23, and after that it was the support level. What if the same happened here? What if the same happened over here? This was the all-time high here, and now we are testing it. And if this scenario, what happened over here, repeats again over here, that means that the current price around 65,000 will be possible the new lows after this bull run. So interesting to keep in mind. Okay, and from here I will change to the daily, and I will make last week's plan visible. The price tried to break out above the 70,000. So Bitcoin aims for 80,000. If this scenario played out, the test of 80,000, the pullback with an entry around 68,000 will be in play. And I will add another scenario. Oh, one moment. This one still in play. This one is still in play. So the entry around 55,790 and the entry around 52,100. But also a new play here, the entry around 61,000 357 is in play now, because the price action is changed since the last analyze of Wednesday. If today's candle will close above the 68,325, then we have a daily gain, and then it's no rejection. So that's why this one is also in play again for the second time, as it's been already tested over here. But that's only if the price of today's candle will close above 68,386. Yes, and that was it for today. Enjoy your Sunday. Don't forget, smash the like button, join Team NakedTrader. If you have any requests, just drop it down in the comments below. Enjoy your Sunday for now, and see you guys in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.